guess which fishies are back, ready for another amazing day of sunshine and happiness?
That's right. It's the 6 of us, of course.
Hello there, viewers. This is the Fishy Friends back again on another sunny day in Plush Star City.
And what better way to enjoy a day this fantastic is to hang out with our special friends in honor of a special upcoming holiday.
In which that is what we're gonna do today. We'll be going over to Unikitty's castle for a special Easter egg hunt that Unikitty, Puppy Corn, and Lil Tweety will be hosting. And it'll be a jawsome time for all 9 of us.
But before we get to the castle, it's best we look our very best for this special occasion. So we'll look inside the dressing closet for spare costumes.
Okay guys, there's quite a lot of outfits to choose from. So we'll need to pick out the best ones for the job.
Okay then, Baby Shark, that shouldn't be a problem. Time for a dress-up montage.
Our Glow J hats doesn't fit right with Easter, but does fit perfectly for another Glow J concert.
Nope. These are not the ones we're looking for. But we look like we're from the medieval times.
Excuse us? These are not the outfits at all. We're not going to a workout center or a gym. Let's go for something else.
Definitely not these. Our bathing suits doesn't go well with Easter.
Now this is more like it. These bunny ears surely fits well with the Easter holiday. Perfect.
Now what are we waiting for? Let's get flowing to Unikitty's castle and get this Easter egg hunt on the road.
Now we really look extremely cute and sweet for our special Easter egg hunt today.
Of course we do. Just gotta wait for Baby Shark and his friends to arrive so we can get started on the hunt.
And guess what? Here we are, ready to hunt down those eggs.
Glad to see you guys coming over to our castle for our special egg hunt in honor of Easter.
Why would we? We would never miss out on a special event you 3 are hosting since we've been very best friends since last year.
Glad to hear that. Anyways, we want to make sure this hunt is as fair as possible. So no one will lose at this Easter egg hunt. Everyone will win and will be given special rewards for doing a
Just pretend that you never heard that.
Alrighty, fair enough. Can we start the egg hunt, please?
Sure thing. We were just about to say that. Everyone grab a basket and let's get this hunt started.
Now where can those eggs be? They gotta be around here. Excuse me? Who yelled that loud? Can you please keep it down? I need to focus right now.
Ouch. Who on earth was that?
Oh boy. I found a sweet-looking egg. Now to find where the others are.
Hey guys, I'm currently testing the Insignia Universal Local Microphone. I don't know if it works or not. This is the first time trying it, but I'm currently testing it with my phone. I'm going to try it on my camera soon. I'm going to use the adapter, but let me know in the comments if it works or not. I think it's really quiet right now. It's so quiet.
Duh, what? What the? Was that the sound of a man talking? Very odd, but very suspicious.
Hey Hank, come quick. There's 2 eggs right by the garden. Let's grab them.
Eek. That crying sound somehow jump scared me. I wonder who did that.
Guys, I have some really awkward news. Somehow, really strange noises are jump scaring our friends during our egg hunt.
The same thing is happening to us as well just now. And we don't know who is causing all of this nonsense.
In which we are about to figure it out now. Quickly, let's catch them before they get away.
Gotcha. Who is behind this bush?
Were we a little too loud? I have a good feeling we're in really, really, really big trouble.
Oh my god, troublemakers. Have you nine lost it or something?
Were you trying to annoy us by setting off those really crazy noises during our Easter egg hunt?
That is more than likely true. 'Cause that is such a really naughty thing to do.
That does it. You are all grounded for the rest of the Easter weekend.
And this also means we'll have to call your parents and alert them all on your no-good prank on Easter.
Go home and into your rooms at this moment and be ashamed on what you all have done.
Now that those naughty kids are dealt with, did anyone find all of the eggs?
Of course. We were able to track them all down, despite those awful disturbing noises we have to encounter along the way.
But in the end, it was all worth it to earn all of these Easter eggs.
Well then, great work you guys. Let's now place them on the counter and see the results.
And then you guys can each take a prize from the prize box. What a successful Easter egg hunt this was.